How y'all doing today? Welcome to Sunday Dinner with Miss Vicky B. Today I'm making, I guess it's like a viral thing. I've seen it on one video, but I've made it once before and it was so good. It's chicken marinara in the crock pot. So I'm gonna use cream cheese, chicken, spaghetti sauce. I don't really like marinara sauce, so I use spaghetti sauce, pasta, broccoli, cheeses. You can really alternate some of the stuff you use in it. Some of the different types of sauces or cheese or vegetables, but I'm going to show you how I'm making it today, and I hope y'all enjoy this video. It's a really good meal, so you should try it. And if y'all have any more crock pot ideas, let me know in the comments, because it's summer and I'm not trying to turn my oven on. All right, let's jump right into this video. Okay, I've got this pack of chicken tenderloins, a block of cream cheese, then I've got a jar of the Prego spaghetti sauce, the traditional, and I'm going to season the chicken with some Nature's seasoning. We're going to stick all this in the crock pot together, and we're going to let it do its thing. It's going to take about 4 hours on high for this to get completely done. I did get the chicken breast tenderloins this time because they were cheaper than the actual chicken breast. And when you're seasoning this chicken, you can season it any way you want it. I'm just using this, and you can use any kind of marinara or pasta sauce that you would like. And most people I've seen just toss this whole block of cream cheese in, but I just wanted to break it up and spread it around. I just thought it might melt a little quicker this way. At this point, I think it's been about 3.5 hours. I'm just going to go ahead and shred up this chicken with a couple of forks. And I'm just going to toss some frozen broccoli in here. You can use spinach. I'm sure you could use any vegetable you wanted. I wasn't sure. I couldn't remember if I used the whole bag last time. But once I put some in and started mixing it together, I realized, yeah, I probably did put the whole bag of broccoli. So I just went ahead and put the rest in there. And at this point, I'm just getting my pasta water started. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, turn it up on high, and get it to a rolling boil. And once that happens, I'm going to pour the pasta in, stir it up real good so it don't stick. Eventually, I'm going to put some cooking oil in here. That also keeps it from sticking, and we're just going to let that pasta cook. Okay, so at this point, the pasta is almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this crock pot down on low, and I'm gonna add a little bit of mozzarella cheese. And then for extra flavor, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sharp cheddar. Mix that cheese in really well, and then after I drain my pasta, I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta to this meal. And after you mix all the pasta and everything in really well, then it's pretty much done, and it's time to get everything plated up. I'm just going to use my bowls for this meal. This made a ton of food. We ate on it for 2 days. And then I put the rest in a gallon-sized freezer Ziploc bag. It filled it up like 2/3 of the way. So we've got a lot left. We're going to have it again in a couple of weeks. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of mozzarella, cheddar, and some Parmesan cheese to the top of this. Yes, it's a very cheesy meal. I put 4 different kinds of cheese in here total, but my husband loved this meal. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of parsley flakes just for some color, and then we're done. If you wanted to, you could add a salad to this. You could also do some garlic bread. I just didn't want to turn the oven on because it was hot. But that would be really good with this too. Okay, now I'm gonna try it out. I've had it before, it's really good. I tried the bow tie pasta this time, so that was different. It's really hot. It's good. Y'all try that out and let me know if you like it. Have a good day. I'll see you next week. Bye.